Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the suggest a parking spot option on the Maps.me application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Settings section and click on it. Scroll down a bit to the Suggest Parking Spot feature, and if you would like to enable it, all you have to do is clicking on the button on the right side of the screen, thereby enabling this feature, so that whenever you are using the map and would like to go to a particular location, you will be suggested with the parking spot options on the map. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.